coming into the Christmas season, please, I am asking the motorists, please, if you could let us, please, me, take your time and drive on the road. Because, you remember when I told you that whenever you crash, I will be coming over there to help you. Yes, take you out of the car and help you go to the hospital. Yes, it's the same process gonna happen down there whenever you crash and turn over in the corner. Because I have seen one little run-off thing over there. I know somebody turn over around there. But I wasn't there. But now it's the Christmas season, I'm here again. So whenever one of the crash and turn over around there, sir, anyway, if you go up near way, I'm coming up here to help you down. I will be helping you down by taking off the big bag. Because every time you crash, when I just crash with so whole heap of money, I don't know why the chopper them have to crash with so much money sometimes. Why can't you spend the money before you crash? I will be helping out the big bag for around on the neck, where you kill you, and I will be taking out the 100,000 left in your pocket where you spend out there. And guess what? The chain them and the ring them and everything are for me. So I will be helping you down whenever when I crash. So please, me ask you every Christmas season, take time drive, because I don't want to help you down. Alright? I want to help you. Call now, Lucy's.